Today's project, surprise, surprise, another base rock road. So this is actually a county road that I came over here in 2016 or 17, and the whole thing all the way down to the end looked just like this right here with all these holes. So nothing's been done to it since then, and it's actually, I think I got one hole up there, this group, and then right there by the loader is about it. The rest of it's in pretty good shape. But I think this road, I want to say it's only a few feet too narrow for the county to actually it won't meet the county specs. So the county will not maintain it. So I guess the builder, whoever put it in, just didn't build it quite the specs or wide enough. And then part of it is probably the drainage and the culverts and stuff like that. So yeah, I think there's 6 or 8 houses that are up and down here, so they all kind of get together, and then they just get a hold of me. I'll come back over here. We're gonna cut these holes out this morning, and then I gotta park over there because there's absolutely no room over here too. And then I'll go I think I'm just gonna get maybe 2 lows and just kind of start at the stop sign and just try to tailgate them down here. Like I said, I may go down there a little bit and freshen some of that up. And then I think I've got 2 driveways down there I got to touch up that I did last time as well. But this is probably the worst part of it, right through here, and then there's just a couple other random holes down through there. But yeah, that's what we got for this morning's project. More base rock stuff. So let's get these holes cut out and get to it. Okay, we're gonna do our after riding back in the loader, but got the holes cut out, spread 2 loads of rock from the road almost down to the house behind me. And then got a third one and touched up this driveway and the one behind me. They're down there working in the driveway right now, so and then kind of tracked it in. And then this guy asked me to kind of touch up his ditch, which is really soft, and the phone line's down there, so I cleaned it out as best I could with this for what I felt comfortable with today. So yeah, now we'll just make the track back to the truck, which is across the street. But came out good, they're happy. I think we're gonna possibly come back in a year, or just check it at the end of this year and kind of dress it up or touch it up, or if we need to do a little more grading and stuff like that, try to kind of keep up with it a little bit better. I gotta do a little tailgating and a little tree trimming right here. So then I had Lonnie just bring, he was over here, so I had to bring that other, I guess he brought 2. He brought the one right behind me and then the one for the driveway, so I can stay here and kind of dress things up a bit. Well, yeah, we got it knocked out. Everybody's excited, so we will load up and call it a day. And here's the after from this end, where those holes are at by that mailbox in there. So looks like somebody's already showed up and turned around on it, but dressed up, looking pretty good. So we'll be back, I don't know, later this year possibly.